Are you tired of feeling stuck financially and want to find a way to earn extra income without leaving your home? What if I told you there is a simple method to turn your everyday activities into cash? Intrigued? Stick around because in just a few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money today. Earning money using the concept of a kick or a strong call to action involves effectively motivating your audience to take actions that can generate revenue for you. Here are several ways to incorporate a kick to earn money, especially in the context of online content creation, marketing, and sales. So first of all you have to do is dive into kickaffiliate.com. Kick Affiliate program. Then this is the home page. We have here contact support, and we have here other things like general support, technical support. And if we come back, we have here also choose the language you want. Then we have all collections, streamer resources, how to become a Kick affiliate and enable subscriptions. And we have here how to become a Kick affiliate and enable subscriptions. Affiliates are Kick content creators who have streamed for more than 5 hours and have 75 or more followers. Once you are an affiliate, you can set up your sub button and start receiving revenue from paid subscriptions. You can check the progress of your affiliate status by logging into your Kick account and heading over to your achievement. So if you wanna dive into Kick, all you have to do is click over here and you will find the homepage of Kick. Then we have here, once you have reached the minimum requirements to enable subscriptions button will become available. As you can see, here we have the homepage, kick.com. As you can see, we have here browse, following, we have a live channel, clips, following we have live, categories, channel, and then if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over one button. Here we have login and then we have here sign up. This is my account, so I don't have this login and sign up, as you can see. Also we have here channel, you can just start chat with Kick. Also we have create your dashboard, we have your stream monetization, achievement studio, community settings, and other things. We have your subscriptions, we have payment history, subscriptions, payment methods, and we have here settings also. We have here stream, monetization, settings, we have profile, stream key, security, notification, and we have logout. So here we have how to earn money with Kick. First of all, we have affiliate marketing. So we promote products or services and include a unique affiliate link. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Also, we have product sales. So how it works? First of all, you can sell physically or digital products such as merchandise, ebooks, courses, or exclusive content. The Kick prompts viewers to make purchase. Then we have sponsored content. Partner with brands and promote their products or services. The Kick encourage viewers to engage with the sponsor, often leading to sales or sign up. Then we have donations and crowdfunded. How it works? Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, or direct people donations allow viewers to financial support creators. The Kick encourages contributions by highlighting the benefits or gratitude. Then we have ad revenue. How it works? On platforms like YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue. The Kick can remind viewers that watching ads helps support your content. Also, we have subscriptions and memberships. Offer exclusive content or perks for paid subscribers or members. The Kick highlights the benefits of subscribing or joining. We have also online courses. charge a fee for access to workshops or courses. Do Kick prompt viewers to sign up or register. Finally, we have live streams and super chats. As you can see, we have also during live streams, viewers can donate draw platforms like YouTube Super Chat where their messages are highlighted. Then I will give you some tips for an effective kick. First of all, you have to be clear and direct, clearly state what action you want the audience to take. Then create urgency. Use phrases like limited time, exclusive offer, or art act now to encourage immediate action. Then we have highlight benefits. Explain what's in it for the audience, whether it's a discount, exclusive content, or supporting a cause. Finally, we have be genuine. Authenticity resonates with audiences, so be sincere in your apples. And you have also the benefits of earning money on Kick. First, we have flexibility. Many platforms offer the ability to set your own hours and work from anywhere, which can be ideal for balancing work with other commitments. Then we have here diverse income streams. By leveraging a platform like Cake, you can diversify your sources of income, reducing reliance on a single job or business venture. Then we have community networking. You often have the opportunity to connect with a community of like-minded individuals, which can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and support. Also, we have skill development. Working on such platforms can help you develop valuable skills in areas like digital marketing, content creation, and online engagement. Furthermore, we have scalability. Depending on your approach, there might be opportunities to scale your earnings by expanding your reach or diversifying your offerings. Also, we have potential for passive income. In some cases, you might be able to create content or set up systems that generate passive income over time. The last one is global reach. Many platforms provide access to a global audience, which can help you grow your presence and revenue beyond local markets. So, earning money on platforms like Cake offers flexibility, diverse income stream, and opportunities for skill development. It typically has a low barrier to entry and can provide access to a global audience. So this approach can be advantageous for balancing work with other commitments and potentially scaling. Success often depends on the effort you put in and how well you leverage the platform's features and opportunities. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.